The lake is a nursery for thousands of chicks. For safety, they stick together in creches. Culpeo foxes patrol the shore, so it pays to keep up. Watchful guardians are on hand, shepherding the hungry youngsters to the richest feeding grounds. They have just 3 months to fatten up on shrimp and build the strength to fly. At dawn, the surface of the lake is frozen solid, cutting off the food supply and imprisoning the fledglings. Only adults have the strength to break their bonds and make good their escape. And with every day deeper into winter, cold and lack of food take a toll. But a breath of seasonal wind offers hope. Gaining strength, it provides just enough lift for a last chance at liberty, trading their rich nursery feeding grounds for the southern lowlands. They'll find refuge from the grip of winter.